Hi everyone, welcome back. During this lesson, we are going to be learning to write a 5-sentence story. Let's read the instructions so we know what we need to do. Write an imaginative text about a different rainbow animal, other than the rainbow fish. For example, a rainbow bird, a rainbow butterfly, or a rainbow chameleon. What might happen to them? Write 1 sentence for each section. You might be thinking, 1 sentence? That's going to be easy. It's actually trickier than it looks. So I'm going to show you how to do this. But the first thing we need to do is do a little bit of planning. And I'm going to plan by creating a box, which is part of a table. So I'm going to press enter here and just enter a couple of times so I have some space. Then I'm going to click insert, which is over here. Let's highlight the clicks. Then I'm going to move my cursor to table and then just click this one box here. So 1 box by 1 box, like that. Here is where I can do my planning. Let's move this up a little bit. Okay, so my 5-sentence story is going to be about a rainbow kitten. Now, the rainbow kitten was playing in the forest. She was playing in the forest. Now we need to remember she was the only rainbow kitten in the entire kingdom. Might call it the entire kitty kingdom. We'll have to make this a capital K because it's the name of a kingdom. Kitty kingdom. Okay. Then, in that kingdom lived an evil wizard. You might make him an evil rat wizard named Morris. And he kidnapped her. And using dark magic, he tried to steal her color away. And really, it's because Morris was lonely and didn't feel special that he did this. And when Rainbow Kitten found this out, she thought, what if she shared her colors with all of the animals in the kitty kingdom? So they all could have a little bit of color. So she shared her color. So now I have some keywords here. And I'm going to use these keywords to create some sentences. Remember, I can only have 1 sentence for each box. Okay, let's start our introduction. We might say, a far away land of colorless animals. Might say, they lived Rainbow Kitten. Now, Rainbow Kitten is her name, so we need to make sure it's a capital R and a capital K. In a faraway land of colourless animals, there lived Rainbow Kitten. She lived in, we'll say, she was the only colourful animal in the entire kitty kingdom. Full stop. So here I'm using my keywords to help me. Let's read our sentence to make sure it makes sense. In a faraway land of colourless animals, there lived Rainbow Kitten. She was the only colourful animal in the entire kitty kingdom. Let's keep going. So now we're on to our first event. One afternoon, Rainbow Kitty was playing in the forest. We might say the magical forest. And suddenly she heard a rustling in bushes. Instead of and here, I think when would sound better. Read the sentence together. One afternoon, Rainbow Kitty was playing the magical forest. That doesn't make sense. That needs in there. Was playing in the magical forest when suddenly she heard a rustling in the bushes. All right, now we get to our complication. Now, our complication is the problem. And our problem in this story is that the evil wizard Morris kidnaps her to steal her powers. All of a sudden, the evil wizard Morris jumped out and grabbed her. He took her back to his castle. Read that sentence again. All of a sudden, the evil wizard Morris jumped out and grabbed her, and he took her back to his castle. Here we don't need he. And took her back to his castle. Now we're up to the resolution. This is how the problem is solved. As Morris was trying to steal the color with dark magic, he told Rainbow Kitten why he was so lonely. Rainbow Kitten decided to do something incredible. And shared her colour with the entire kingdom. Now our ending. Let's wrap up our story. After Rainbow Kitten shared her colour that doesn't make sense there. Let's change that. Rainbow Kitten shared her colour with everyone, including Morris, and so that all animals feel as special as her. Read our sentence. Rainbow Kitten shared her colour with everyone, including Morris, so that all animals could feel as special as her. That's the end of our story. You might like to add some illustrations. You might like to draw some pictures in your book, or if you wanted to, you could also take pictures and put them into these boxes here if you know how to. But that's how you write a 5-sentence story. Happy learning and stay safe.